Meta Platform Inc., doing business as Meta, and formerly named Facebook Inc. and the Facebook Inc. is an American multinational technology conglomerate based in Menlo Park, California. The company owned and operates Facebook, Instagram, Thread, and WhatsApp, among other product and service. Meta rank among the largest American information technology companies alongside other big five corporations: Alphabet, Google, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. The company was ranked 31 on the Forbes Global 2000 ranking in 2023. In 2022, Meta was the company with the third highest expenditure on research and development worldwide, with R&D expenditure accounting to $35.3 billion. Company public industries: social media, social network advertising, consumer electronics, virtual reality. Founded January 4, 2004, 20 years ago in Cambridge, Massachusetts, US. Founder Mark Zuckerberg. Headquarter Menlo Park, California, US. Area surveyed worldwide. Key people: Mark Zuckerberg, Chairman and CEO. Product: Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Thread, WhatsApp, MetaQuest, Horizon World, Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. Revenue: $134.9 billion 2023. Operating income $46.75 billion 2023. Net income $39.10 billion 2023. Total asset $229.6 billion 2023. Total equity $153.2 billion 2023. Owner Mark Zuckerberg 30.68%, equity 61.2%, voting. Number of employees 70,799, June 2024. Meta has also acquired Oculus, which it has integrated into Reality Lab. Mapillary CTRL Lab, and a 9.99% stake in Geo Platform. The company additionally endeavored into non-VR hardware such as the discontinued Meta Portal smart display line, and presently partnered with Third, the Ray-Ban Stories serial of smart glasses. Despite into hardware, the company relies on advertising for a vast majority of its revenue, amounting to 97.8% in 2023. Parent company Facebook Inc., rebranded as Meta Platform Inc. 1 October 28, 2021 to reflect its focus on building the metaverse and integrated environment, linking the company's product and service. Facebook filed for an initial public offering IPO on January 1, 2012. The preliminary prospectus stated that the company sought to raise $5 billion ahead 845 million monthly active users and a website acquiring 2.7 billion like and comment daily. After the IPO, Zuckerberg would retain 22% of the total share and 70% of the total voting power in Facebook. Underwriting valued the share at 38 each, valuating the company at $104 billion, the largest valuation to date for a newly public company. On May 16, one day before the IPO, Facebook announced it would sell 25% more shares than originally planned due to high demand. The IPO raised $16 billion, making it the third largest in US history. AT&T, Mobility, and behind only General Motors and Visa, the stock price left the company with a higher market capitalization than all but a few US corporations, surprising heavy wealth such as Amazon, MC, Donald, Disney, and Kraft Food, and made Zuckerberg stock worth 19 billion. The New York Times stated that the offering overcome question about Facebook difficulties in attracting advertising to transform the company into a must-own stock. Jimmy Lee and JP Morgan Chase describe it as the next great blue chip. Writer at TechCrunch, on the other hand, expressed skepticism, stating that's a big multiple to live up to and Facebook will likely need to add bold new revenue stream to justify the mammoth valuation. Trading in the stock, which began on May 18, was delayed that day due to the technical problem with the Nasdaq exchange. The stock struggled to stay above the IPO price for most of the day, forcing underwriting to buy back share to support the price. At the closing bell, shares were valued at 38.23, only 0.23 above the IPO price and down 3.82 from the opening bell value. The opening was widely described by the financial press as a disappointment. The stock nonetheless set a new record to trading value of an IPO. On May 25, 2012, the stock ended its first full week of trading at 31.91, a 16.5% decline. On May 22, 2012, regulator from Wall Street Financial Industry Regulatory Authority announced that they had begun to investigate whether bank underwriting Facebook had improperly shared information only with select clients rather than the general public. Massachusetts Secretary of the State William F. Galvin suspended Morgan Stanley over the same issues. The allegation sparked fury among some investors and led to the immediate filing of several lawsuits. One of them, a class action suit claiming more than $2.5 billion in losses due to the IPO. Bloomberg estimated that retail investors may have lost approximately $630 million on Facebook stock since its debut. S&P Global Rating added Facebook to its S&P 500 index on December 21, 2013. On May 2, 2014, Zuckerberg announced that the company would be changing its internal motto from "Move Fast and Break Things" to "Move Fast with a Stable Infrastructure." The earlier motto had been described as Zuckerberg Prime directive to his developer and team. In a 2009 interview in Business Insider, in which he also said, "Unless you are baking stuff, you are not moving fast enough." Lasso was the short video sharing app from Facebook similar to TikTok that was launched on iOS and Android in 2018 and was aimed at teenagers. On July 2, 2020, Facebook announced that Lasso would be shutting down on July 10. In 2018, the Oculus lead Jason Rubin sent his 15-page vision document titled "The Metaverse" to Facebook leadership. In the document, Rubin acknowledged that Facebook virtual reality business had not caught on as expected, despite the hundreds of millions of dollars spent on content for early adopters. He also argued that company to execute fast and invest heavily in the vision to shut out HTC, Apple, Google, and other competitors in the VR space. Regarding other players participating in the metaverse vision, he called for the company to build the metaverse to prevent their competition from being in the VR business in a meaningful way at all. In May 2019, Facebook's founded Libra Networks reportedly to develop their own stablecoin cryptocurrency. Later, it was reported that Libra was began supported by financial companies such as Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and Uber. The consortium of companies was expected to pull in 10 million each to fund the launch of the cryptocurrency coin named Libra, depending on when it would receive approval from the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority to operate as a payment service. In March 2022, Meta except Meta owned WhatsApp and Instagram were banned in Russia and added to Russia's list of terrorist and extremist organizations for aligned and hate speech. Also in March 2022, Meta and Italian eyewear giant Luxottica released Ray-Ban Stories, a series of smart glasses which could play music and take pictures. Meta and Luxottica parent company Essilor Luxottica declined to disclose sales on the line of product as of September 2022. Throughout, Meta has expressed satisfaction with its customer feedback. In 2023, Ireland Data Protection Commissioner imposed record EUR 1.2 billion fine on Meta for transferring data from Europe to the United States without adequate protection for EU citizens. In March 2023, Meta announced a new round of layoffs that would cut 10,000 employees and close 5,000 open position in order to make the company more efficient. Meta revenue surpassed analyst expectation for the first quarter of 2023 after announcing that it was increasing its focus on AI. On July 6, Meta launched a new app, Thread, a competitor to Twitter. Meta announced its artificial intelligence model, Llama 2 in July 2023, available for commercial use by partnership with major cloud provider like Microsoft. It was the first project to be unvalidated out of Meta's generative AI group after it was set up in February. Meta has acquired multiple companies often identified as talent acquisition. One of its first major acquisitions was in April 2012, when it acquired Instagram for approximately $1 billion in cash and stock. In October 2013, Facebook Inc. acquired Onavo, an Israeli mobile web analytical company. In February 2014, Facebook Inc. announced it would buy mobile messaging company WhatsApp for $19 billion in cash and stock. Later that year, Facebook bought Oculus VR for $2.3 billion in cash and stock, which released its first consumer virtual reality handset in 2016. In late November 2019, Facebook Inc. announced the acquisition of the game developer Beat Game, responsible for developing one of that year's most popular VR game, Beat Saber. In late 2022, after Facebook Inc. rebranded to Meta Platform Inc., Oculus was rebranded to Meta Quest. In 2020, Facebook Inc. announced it had acquired GPI for a reported cash price of $400 million. It will be integrated with the Instagram team. However, in August 2021, UK Competition and Market Authority (CMA) stated that Facebook Inc. might have to sell GP, after an investigation, found that the deal between the two companies would harm competition in display advertising market. Facebook Inc. was fined 17 million by CMA for deliberately failing to report all information regarding the accusation and the ongoing antitrust investigation. In October 2022, the CMA ruled for a second time that Meta be required to divest GP, stating that Meta already control half of the advertising in the UK. Meta agreed to the sale. Third, it started that it disagree with the decision itself. In May 2023, ZP was divested to Shutterstock for 53 million. In November 2020, Facebook Inc. announced that it planned to purchase the customer service platform and chatbot specialist startup Customer to promote companies to use their platform for business. It has been reported that Customer valued at silently over 1 billion. The deal was closed in February 2022 after regulatory approval. In September 2022, Meta acquired Lawfelt, a Barnhill-based haptic tech startup. Revenue 2004 $0.4, 2005 $9, 2006 $48, 2007 $153, 2009 $775, 2010 2000, 2011 $3,711, 2012 $5,089, 2013 $7,872, 2014 $12,466, 2015 $7,928, 2016 $27,638, 2017 $40,643, 2018 $50,838, 2019 $70,697, 2020 $85,965, 2021 $1,70,929, 2022 $1,60,609, 2023 $1,34,902. Facebook ranked number 34 in the 2020 Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporation by revenue, with almost 86 billion in revenue, most of it coming from advertising. One analysis of 2017 data determined that the company earned 20.21 per user from advertising. According to New York, since its rebranded, Meta has reportedly lost 500 billion as a result of new privacy measures put in place by companies such as Apple and Google, which prevent Meta from gathering user data. In February 2015, Facebook announced it had reached 2 million active advertisers, with most of gain coming from small businesses. An active advertiser was defined as an entity that had advertising on the Facebook platform in the last 28 days. In March 2016, Facebook announced it had reached 3 million active advertising, with more than 70% from outside the United States. Price for advertising follow a variable pricing model based on auctioning ad placement and potential engagement level of the advertisement itself, similar to other online advertising platforms like Google and Twitter. Targeting of advertisement in one of the chief metric of digital advertising. Compared to traditional media marketing, on Meta employed two methods based on the viewing habit, like and share, and processing data of audience, namely targeted audience and look-alike audiences. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel.